that here the minimum prerequisites of success and salvation are being discussed. Not the conditions of high level. It's not said that those who fulfill these four conditions will occupy very high position in the paradise. Logically, what would it have meant? For less, you can have a lesser position. Okay. I'm contented with a lesser position in heaven, in paradise. So there's no need of fulfilling all this standard and all this criteria. But what's the construction? Verily, by the token of time, by the fleeting time, all humans are doomed. Except those who fulfill these four conditions. So it's the minimum level. It's not the A level or B level. It's just the pass marks, not the first division, not the second division. Actually, the lecture which I referred to, which has been printed in English also, I delivered it to the students of the HSN College at Lahore. So I used these wordings because the students can understand first division, second division. Here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not discussing the first or the second division, it's the pass marks. Otherwise you fail, you are doomed. So this is the lowest because you know it's our weakness. In this worldly affairs, we want to go higher and higher up. And for the affairs of the hereafter, we are a very contented type of people. We can do with the minimum. Hence you have to be warned that this is the minimum. Nothing doing. Beyond that, below that. No concept of success. Realization of this fact, that this is the minimum, will result in that every Muslim will try to put in maximum effort, at least to pass, at least to be saved from the fire of hell. So then he must exert. And then the effort and the exertion that one will put in will be proportionate. If it is high, well, we can, just as I said, we could be contented with some low position. The third and the most important point is that when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has laid down four preconditions for success, all these four are inevitable, necessary. You can't leave any one of them on your own. First of all, we must know that in Quran there is not a single word only for rhyme or exaggeration. This is all al-haq. Each and every word is al-haq. In our poetry, in our worldly speeches, we do exaggerate. Especially in poetry, for the sake of rhyme or rhythm, we add words. There are additional words. But in Quran, it's no poetry. Each and every word has to be taken seriously. Due attention has to be paid to it. And when Allah says, وَالْعَصْرِ إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَفِي خُسْرٍ إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. Is it poetry? Is it exaggeration? Inevitable. All the four are inevitable.